Hey guys, welcome to the channel Love What You Drive. Today we have another unboxing, review, and installation video. We are here with the Auto1 LED lights once again. It is not sponsored by Auto1, Amazon, YouTube, or any third-party affiliates, but they did send me this for free, and there will be a link in the description to where you can buy these. It's an affiliate link, so it will help me out a little bit. So these are the Auto1 LED lights. They're the 3156, 3157. So these are for my Mercury, 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. And I will be using these as reverse lights. Now, these come in the pack of 2. And you can use them for brake lights or turn signal. But warning, if your turn signal or brake lights flicker, you will have to install a resistor. T25, 31, 57, 31, 56. Now they have different color options. They have amber white, red, amber white switchback. I opted out for the white ones as they are going to be reverse lights. So let's get inside and see what we have here. Comes in this foam little packaging, and here they are. What I do like about these right off the bat is that they are all the way around 360 LED lights and right here on top. So when they do illuminate, when they do go on, it will not only be around but from here, so it'll be a fuller filling light inside whatever application that you are using. These are 6500K, which are going to be white. They are 1200 lumens, so they're not blinding bright, but they are bright enough where even if you're backing up, reversing, you do get a nice illumination of light over the stock halogen. Lifespan is a claim of 50,000 plus hours. Definitely small, little, compact, but pack a lot of working hours. They are Canbus ready, which are compatible with 99% of the vehicles out there. Installation time is probably the easiest ones, at least on my Mercury. I wouldn't say even 2 minutes, giving the fact that you know what you are doing. These are the specs. These are tiny little things. From here, let's go outside. We're gonna install these. I have been using these for the past month or two even. I am very pleased. I am excited about these. They work very well. Let's go show you how to install these in my car. We are outside and we are gonna install the Auto1 LED reverse light, part number T25, 3157, 3156. I'm gonna show you what the reverse light look like during the day stock halogen OEM. They do look bright on the camera, but that's not the case in real life. So this one is an Auto1 LED. This one is a stock halogen. That's what it looks like now. As we can see, LED halogen. Now on the camera it does show, or it looks like that they are both bright, and they are, but this one is more of a bright white, and this one you can see a little more of an amber. And now this is what they look like during the day. Auto1 lights for the reverse lights. Let's take a closer look. Pretty nice, neat light output. Very bright. So now this is the final product, the Auto1 LED lights for the reverse lights. I mean, they're putting off some brightness. It is dark outside already. Look how bright that is. I do like that color as well. It's that bright white. And definitely lights up the back of the street. So when you're backing up, it definitely gives you a little bit more visibility. So that's that. And now I'm gonna show you how to install them. Now to install them, the camera's inside of my trunk facing out. It's very simple. It's a very easy procedure. You can see right here that this is the reverse light. All you do is you take it, twist it, and it pops out like that. Be careful if you've been running these will be really hot, and plus you don't want to touch them, because if you want to keep them for future, just to have backup, I just grab my sleeve or a napkin or rag, take them out. Here's the new on LED. You also don't want to touch these LED lights with your fingers to get any oils. You plug it in and you're good to go. Same thing, you just want to twist it out and just take it out. Again, you don't want to touch it with your fingers. And to put it back, it's everything just in reverse. Let me show you. Take it, put it in, and you twist it just like that. There you have it. There's that. There we have it. Now that they're in, with my silver car and the black fascia back here, or the dark, I really like this modern there. And then at night it's gonna look very bright and fill the whole housing of the light, or the casing. So until then, we'll see you in the evening. Like I said, I've been using these for the past almost 2 months. I do like these. I like the brightness. I like the color. I love the price of them. And they have many different applications to fit your need. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one.